The wait is finally over, because DJI has officially confirmed the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and this tiny camera is already creating massive hype across the tech and creator world. From daily vloggers to professional filmmakers, everyone is talking about one big question. Can the Pocket 4 once again redefine portable filmmaking? Today, we will break down everything you need to know, from its confirmed status to expected features, performance upgrades, release date, price, and why this could be the most powerful pocket camera DJI has ever made. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is officially confirmed, and that alone is enough to shake the compact camera market. The Osmo Pocket series has always been famous for delivering professional stabilization and cinematic quality in a device that literally fits in your pocket. With Pocket 4, DJI is taking that idea to the next level, focusing heavily on content creators, travel vloggers, and social media filmmakers who want maximum quality with minimum setup. Starting with the design, DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to keep the same compact and lightweight form factor, but with refined ergonomics and a more premium build. The body is rumored to be slightly sturdier, making it more durable for outdoor shooting and travel use. The handle feels more balanced in hand, and the control buttons are redesigned for quicker access while shooting on the go. This means less fumbling with settings and more focus on creativity. The biggest upgrade in DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is its camera sensor. According to early confirmations and trusted leaks, DJI is introducing a larger sensor compared to Pocket 3. This upgrade means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper details even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you are shooting night vlogs, city lights, or indoor cinematic scenes, Pocket 4 is built to handle it smoothly. Video quality is where DJI Osmo Pocket 4 truly shines. It is expected to support up to 4K at higher frame rates. With improved HDR processing, DJI is reportedly focusing on color science this time, giving creators more natural skin tones and richer cinematic colors straight out of the camera. This means less color grading work and faster uploads for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok creators. Stabilization has always been DJI's strongest point, and Osmo Pocket 4 takes it even further. The upgraded 3-axis mechanical gimbal delivers ultra-smooth footage, even while walking, running, or filming in moving vehicles. DJI has optimized its stabilization algorithms to reduce microshakes, making the footage look like it was shot on professional equipment. One of the most exciting features in DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is the improved autofocus system. With faster subject tracking and smarter face detection, the camera locks onto your subject instantly and keeps it sharp throughout the shot. This feature is especially useful for solo vloggers who film themselves, without worrying about focus issues. Audio quality is also getting a major boost. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 comes with enhanced built-in microphones and advanced noise reduction. Wind noise cancellation has been improved, making outdoor recordings much cleaner. DJI is also expected to introduce better wireless mic compatibility, allowing creators to get studio-quality sound without extra hassle. Battery life is another strong point of the Osmo Pocket 4. DJI has optimized power efficiency, allowing longer recording sessions on a single charge. Fast charging support means you can quickly top up the battery and get back to shooting within minutes, which is perfect for travel and event coverage. The touchscreen display on DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to be brighter and more responsive. Navigation through menus feels smoother, and the display performs better under direct sunlight. This makes framing shots and adjusting settings much easier while shooting outdoors. Now let's talk about smart features. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 includes intelligent shooting modes like Active Track, Motion Lapse, Hyperlapse, and Enhanced Panorama modes. These features allow even beginners to create professional-looking content effortlessly. With a single tap, you can capture cinematic shots that normally require advanced equipment and skills. Connectivity is another highlight. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 supports faster wireless transfer, allowing you to instantly send videos to your smartphone for quick editing and posting. The DJI app has also been optimized for smoother performance, giving creators full control over settings and creative tools. Coming to the release date, DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch officially in 2026, with strong chances of an early year announcement. DJI usually reveals its products globally with immediate availability, so fans won't have to wait long after the official launch event. In terms of price, DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to be priced slightly higher than Pocket 3 due to its upgraded sensor and features. The expected price range is around premium compact camera territory, but considering what DJI is offering, it still delivers massive value for creators who want professional results in a portable device. So the big question is, should you wait for DJI Osmo Pocket 4? If you are a vlogger, traveler, or a content creator looking for a powerful, stable, and compact camera that can replace heavy setups, then the answer is yes. Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the ultimate pocket filmmaking tool. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is not just an upgrade, it is a statement. It shows DJI's commitment to creators who want quality, simplicity, and portability in one device. If the final product delivers on its promises, this could easily become the most popular compact camera of 2026. Now let's talk about the most important part that everyone is searching for right now, the official release timeline of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. DJI has officially confirmed that the Osmo Pocket 4 is in active development, and multiple trusted industry sources aligned with DJI's usual launch cycle strongly indicate a confirmed launch window. According to DJI's internal roadmap patterns and recent official teasers, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to be officially announced between March and April 2026. This is not a random prediction, but a timeline that matches DJI's previous Osmo Pocket launch strategy, making it the most reliable release window so far. What makes this confirmation stronger is the fact that DJI has already slowed down production updates for the Osmo Pocket 3 accessories, which usually happens just months before a new generation launch. DJI typically does this when they are preparing to shift focus toward the next model. This is a clear signal that the Osmo Pocket 4 launch is approaching faster than expected. Another major reason behind this confirmed timeline is DJI's recent firmware and app updates. The latest DJI Mimo app updates include references to next generations, stabilization profiles, and camera tuning, which are specifically optimized for newer hardware. DJI never rolls out such changes without an upcoming product launch, and this further confirms that Osmo Pocket 4 is right around the corner. Now let's dive deeper into why the hype around DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is absolutely real. This is not just another small upgrade. This is DJI preparing a creator-focused camera for the next era of content. Short-form video, cinematic vlogging, and mobile filmmaking are growing faster than ever, and DJI clearly wants Osmo Pocket 4 to dominate this space. One of the most exciting upgrades expected in DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is advanced computational video processing. DJI is reportedly integrating AI-based stabilization and exposure balancing, which means the camera intelligently adjusts lighting, shadows, and highlights in real time. This allows creators to shoot in difficult lighting conditions without constantly changing settings. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is also expected to deliver improved rolling shutter control. This is a huge upgrade for creators who shoot fast-moving scenes or action shots. The footage looks more natural and cinematic, even during quick pans or movement-heavy shots. Thermal performance has also been improved in Pocket 4. DJI has optimized internal heat management, allowing longer 4K recording sessions without overheating. This makes the camera ideal for long vlogs, interviews, and travel videos where stopping due to heat issues can ruin the entire shoots. Another major highlight is the improved portrait and vertical video support. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is designed for modern creators who publish on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. With native vertical shooting and optimized stabilization, creators can switch formats instantly without losing quality. DJI is also focusing heavily on cinematic presets in Osmo Pocket 4. These presets are designed by professionals and allow users to get film-like motion blur, smooth transitions, and balanced color profiles with just one tap. This feature alone can save hours of editing time for content creators. When it comes to pricing, DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch at a starting price that reflects its premium upgrades. The confirmed expected price ranges around slightly higher than the Pocket 3 launch price, placing it in the premium compact camera category. However, when compared to buying a separate camera, gimbal, and microphone setup, Osmo Pocket 4 still offers incredible value. DJI's strategy with Osmo Pocket 4 is very clear. They are not trying to compete with smartphones directly. Instead, they are offering creators something smartphones cannot: true mechanical stabilization, consistent cinematic motion, and professional-grade control in a pocket-sized device. As the confirmed launch window gets closer, we can expect official teaser videos, hands-on previews, and early creator reviews from DJI. This means the hype is only going to increase, and Osmo Pocket 4 is set to become one of the most talked about creator cameras of 2026. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a game changer, not because it is small, but because it delivers big performance where it truly matters. Stability, video quality, ease of use, and reliability all come together in one compact device. If you are planning to upgrade your content setup or start professional vlogging in 2026, DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is definitely worth waiting for. The confirmation is real, the timeline is reliable, and the features are built for the future of content creation. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown and want more upcoming tech videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned because the future of compact filmmaking just got a lot more exciting.